Hi. I am John Luis. Welcome to my investing channel. I will talk about financial education and ways of making money. If you have not subscribed yet, do it now. I have been investing many years on the financial market. Hope you learn new stuff and enjoy my content. Now I will give you few options to choose. Check out what suits you best. If you are a beginner, check this video. Click on the icon near my head. If you are interested in CFDs, click on the icon on the right side. Looking for investing tips? Click on the icon on top right side. Looking for reviews about trading platforms? Click on the icon on the right side. Maybe you want to find out ways to stay motivated? Click on the icon. Looking for more ways to make money? Check this out.